Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and integrate GoDaddy with Zapier. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official GoDaddy website if you have not already, by going to godaddy.com right here, and then it's going to enable you to open up your website builder. From this portfolio and your dashboard, you can access your website and open it up in edit mode here, and this is what it's going to look like. So what you can see at the right side of the screen, we have the menu from where we can access the settings, and if you open up the settings, you're going to see, if you scroll down to analytics and tracking, you can find all the options you have for tracking your website, such as Google Analytics, Metapixel, and so on, but there is no Zapier integration. So what we're going to do is take a look at this page right here on Zapier.com for the apps, and you can find a GoDaddy CRM. This is going to enable you to put GoDaddy CRM to work with AI and enterprise grade automation and integrated with Zapier for automation. So what you want to do is go to Zapier.com, find this application right here, the GoDaddy CRM, and then you can go ahead and install it. So log in with your Zapier account and follow the rest of the steps. They are going to walk you through step by step on how you can get started with integrating GoDaddy and this Zapier CRM. So there you have it. You want to go and check it out for yourself. Anything similar that you might want to integrate with your website is going to be found on the Zapier website, and you can find other products and applications directly right here. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Take care and bye.